lessons reading point. Today I'm gonna read you a story William Tell. Let's start. William Tell was a farmer who lived in Switzerland. He was a good man and was liked by all who knew him. He liked to shoot with his crossbow, and people said he was one of the best archers in all Switzerland. William Tell had some children. Two of them were boys and the one other was a girl. They all liked to fish in the lakes and play games with other children. But one of the boys, Walter, liked best of all to go out for walks with William Tell and to see him shoot with his crossbow. One day, Walter said to William Tell, I want to be a good archer like you, Daddy. Please let me shoot with the crossbow. No, Walter said. William Tell, my crossbow is too big for you. Be a good boy and wait. One day I will make a little crossbow for you. Walter thanked him and said no more about it. One afternoon, Walter was playing at home with his brother and sister. William Tell walked into the house and said, Look, Walter, I have a surprise for you. Walter looked up and saw that his father had a little crossbow. Is that for me, Daddy? He asked. Yes, Walter, said William Tell. Come on out and see if you can shoot with it. In the days of William Tell, Switzerland was governed by Austria. The governor of Tell's village was a cruel man. No one in the village liked him at all. The governor wanted a big castle and he made all the people of the village work for him. Even little children had to help. People in other villages had to work for Austrian governors too. They didn't like the governors and they had meetings to talk about the cruel things the governor did. Some people said they wanted Switzerland to be free for Austria. In one village, a farmer had made a new house. It was a good house and the farmer was pleased with it. But the governor saw it and said that house is too good for a farmer. I will not let you live in it. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned to my channel for part 2. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.